What's up guys, welcome to our Ghillie crafting materials video. In this video I'm going to be going through a plethora of different crafting materials that you can consider when crafting your suit and what Ghillie crafting materials I would highly recommend you purchasing. But I'm going to give you again a plethora of different options to choose from. Alright, so we're going to start with actually raffia. So first off, I'm going to start with the raffia that comes in the Kicking Mustang and Silly Ghillie AGM summer crafting kit. So they do offer this raffia. This is the raffia that you get in the summer crafting kit. It is pre-combed, it's pre-dyed, and it looks super natural. In my opinion, this is the best raffia that I've ever used to date. But you do have to purchase a summer crafting kit to get this raffia. Now, I will say that a lot of people have had nothing but really good things to say about the Mantis Concept Brothers raffia kits. You can purchase these from Empire Airsoft or reach out to them personally on Instagram or Facebook. They'll probably get back to you a lot quicker due to the fact that it's always sold out. So if you do want, again, really high quality raffia that I would say is just as comparable and same quality as the KMCS AGM summer crafting kit, then I would just hit up Mantis Concept Brothers. Next up, we have Simple Raffia purchased from Cabela's. So this is the lighter green shade here of the raffia. Now this raffia is actually very cheap and you get a ton of it. Like this is probably not even a quarter of the raffia that you would get from Cabela's. It was about $30 Canadian, but don't quote me on that. I'll leave the price here after I look it up. Now the issue is that it doesn't come pre-combed, so you do have to split the raffia yourself. And I would also field test this raffia to make sure that it actually blends in with your environment. But this is a very cost-effective way to get just some raffia to bulk up your suit. And last but not least, we have the Novritsch Raffia kit. I believe this is the RC1 raffia kit by Novritsch, and it actually comes with 4 different colors, which is really cool. I think that it's really high quality. I really enjoy using the Novritsch raffia. I think that it's great. It blends in perfectly with my environment, and I do like that you get 4 different colors. So first off, we have this, more vibrant green, I would say. This is more like a summer grass look. And then we have a dark brown, which is nice. And then we have a straw color, which is very neutral, more so for like, I don't know, early spring environment. And then we have a dark green. So you do get 4 different types of colors in here, and you get the exact same amount of raffia in each color off of this one kit, and it is very cheap to actually purchase this whole Novritsch raffia kit. All right, next up we have another Novritsch product. I personally wouldn't recommend this. Reason being is burlap literally gets hung up on so many tree branches and stuff. If I didn't play airsoft in an environment that has so many trees and just bushy environments, then I would 100% actually try to sprinkle in a little bit of burlap on my suit, but it's the only reason why I haven't used it. However, if burlap is something that you want to give a shot at, I would highly recommend the Novritsch burlap kit because you get a ton of this material. So here we have a kind of light bleached brown burlap. You get a bunch of it, as you can see here. So we have that one color, then we have a dark green. This is a really nice color actually. So we got a dark green burlap, and then we have a more neutral, lighter green of it here as well. So again, if you guys are looking to craft a burlap suit, Novritsch is 1000% the best one-stop shop to purchase your burlap from. All right, next up we have the probably the most important part of crafting a ghillie suit. I see a lot of people, they'll just toss leaves on their suit and maybe just raffia, and it just doesn't do the job. So this mesh material is basically used to bulk the suit out and give it a very realistic look for your environment. So, all right, so we're gonna start with the AGM summer crafting kit. I have done a review on this on YouTube, but I'm gonna go through it again here. So basically this AGM kit is, I would say right off the hop, the most cost-effective way to get into ghillie crafting because it has everything that you need. So when you get this kit, it comes with a whole whack load of these cottons. So these cottons basically act as the dead leaves on the floor bed of your playing environment, which is nice. They come pre-wrinkled and ready to go, and there's 3 different types of shades in here. Majority of them are this light brown material because that's like the most common dead leaf color that you would find on the floor bed. Then you obviously get the pre-combed raffia, which we went over earlier. Then you get a long strip of this KMCS brown material. So this is the same material that you would find on the KMCS Brown 2.0 ghillie suits, the exact same ghillie suit I own. This is the same material, so it's extremely durable. It's IRR retardant, and you can use this actually to wrap your rifle, which is really nice. So you actually get rifle wrap with this summer crafting kit. And then you get a long strand of coconut rope, which we're going to go through how to actually apply coconut rope to your ghillie suit to further bulk it out. But this is the only kit that I know of that actually comes with coconut rope, as well as these cottons and even rifle wrap as well. Like, this kit is actually insane for the price. It is 1000% worth it. And then we get 3 different types of mesh material here. So we get this dark green material, then we have a more vibrant green material, and last but not least, we have a more medium neutral green. And all of the locks of this adaptive ghillie mesh are zip tied at the top. So when you go to cut this material, you basically grab it at the end here, you cut at a narrow angle, and that's how you will remove the mesh from this strand of adaptive ghillie mesh. So before the adaptive ghillie mesh came out and was put onto the market, a lot of people, I would say like 90% of people out there that were crafting ghillie suits were purchasing this halo screen, it's called, and they were purchasing from a company called Skirmshop. And basically it would come as a starter kit, so it was about €44, and it would come with 4 different shades of this mesh material. So it would come in a light green, a regular green, I would call it, or a neutral green, a medium green, so it's a little darker, and then it comes with a very dark green mesh material. This is all pre-cut. I pre-cut all of mine. This is the material that I used to use. I'm now going to be swapping over to the AGM.